So today I'm going to pot on these chilli plants, the 30p chilli plants. And I've got a little bit of something that I put in when I repot plants, which just helps them along and helps them with transplant chuck. So when you're repotting chilies or peppers, don't overdo it. They don't like to be taken from a small cell into a really big pot. So just upgrade them a little bit, like from that to a 9cm, and then you can gradually pot it on. So I'm just going to put a little bit at the bottom here, and then we'll get one out and see how much more filling in it's going to need. Be careful when you take these out, because you could break them. So it's got a few roots going off, nothing too bad. I mean, it could have stayed in there for longer, but I just like to pot them on as soon as I can. And I'm just dropping that into the bottom and then just centering it up. And then we'll just fill in around edges. And when you pop these on, you can pot them on up to the depth of the first set of leaves. So that's one done. The thing is, when you pot on peppers and things like that, tomato plants, they always seem to look instantly bigger just for changing them out of a cell into a pot. So we'll do the same again. Bit of compost at the bottom. Take the plant out nice and steady, and then drop it central back in your pot and firm it down. So I'll do the rest of these in a moment. I'll just show you the mixture that I tend to add to these after I've repotted them. So I'm just using a jug of ordinary tap water, and we're just going to add a few drops tomato feed, not too much, because too much feed on a young plant can burn the roots. So a very small amount in there. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Epsom salts, the unscented kind. And then we'll mix this up until the Epsom salt crystals have dissolved. If you use warm water, they will dissolve a lot quicker. So basically what you've got, magnesium will help with transplant shock, and it will feed the root system and make the leaves green up more. And the tomato feed is basically providing potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen. So we're just going to take us newly potted plant and we'll just pour some in like that. And then again, same with next one. If you have any plants that you pot on and they've got yellowing leaves, then the magnesium is also going to help with that, and it will make the green more vibrant again. So we've got our 2 chilli peppers nicely potted on. They can stay in there for quite a while now, until you see the roots starting to come out the bottom. Once these have got 4 or 5 sets of true leaves, I will show you something else that you can do to make your plant bigger and bushier, which over time will ensure that this plant gives you the highest yield of fruits possible. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this quick transplant video, and I'll see you next time.